if you're in retail or ticket management, so the services industry and repairing, devices, then RepairDesk is your number one choice. Hey guys, Kye here from KIPHONE. I am the Managing Director of KIPHONE Pty Limited. RepairDesk has been a massive asset to us. So as far as growth goes and scaling our company, it has been only possible because of RepairDesk. So they've helped us out massively. Everything from their customer support, their backend, new integrations, allowing us to integrate stuff that works for us, and then also the beta modules as well that they've released. We've tested and tried that stuff. I would rate RepairDesk a 5 out of 5. So yeah, 5-star. There is no, like I said, there is no other options. So the software there, and you can, there is other options as far as like what they say they can provide, but an all-in-one software, if you want to have the right software for your company, then your choice should be RepairDesk. We started using RepairDesk about 2 to 3 years ago, and we integrated RepairDesk after using SquareUp and a paper trail. Yeah, like I said, if someone was in this industry and looking for software that they can use and utilize and allow them to spend more time scaling the company, as opposed to spending time trying to track inventory or trying to track tickets or work out if that customer has been messaged or not, then yeah, RepairDesk is your option. If you want software that is going to be dedicated to the retail or services industry, specifically in mobile phone repairs or tablets, iPads, computers, that side of things. We do other stuff as well, so electric scooter repairs, drone repairs, cameras as well. So any small gadget all the way up to an electric scooter, we utilize RepairDesk's software to be able to manage that efficiently. One of the biggest ones, it would have to be the API link to Shopify. We don't have to manually go in and remove that product or, check on that product. If a photo is wrong, we update it in RepairDesk, and then from then it sends the API link message to Shopify, and then Shopify also updates the photo or the description or the stock amount or the SKU, UPC code, whatever it be. So anything that's updated in RepairDesk is then updated in Shopify. That saves days of time.